Hi, I'm going to do a quick screencast of how to make ribbons specifically for icons to be used on your Badgestack site. So I am over here on this site called thenounproject.com. It is a great site for finding all kinds of images to work with, and you can collect a whole set that are in roughly the same type of format. They're all, nicely black and white, and they have a wide range of subjects. Business people. So today I am going to walk you through making ribbons start to finish. I will be using Preview, which is standard on the Mac, and Grab, which is standard on a Mac. So say you were going to make a ribbon for knitting. You wanted a picture of a ball of yarn. So go on to the Noun project and search for yarn. These are all the images it's brought up. You'll see that this image has a download and a buy button. That's because it's released under Creative Commons Attribution License. So you have the option there. I would click through and read what they're asking you to do. You're free to share and to remix, so that's what we'll be doing today, is remixing, as long as you do attribution. So in the case of the Badgestack site, you might just want to have a page of credits that just list all the people whose icons you used to make all the ribbons and things. If you don't want to go that route, there are a bunch of icons on the Noun project that are free because they are published under a public domain mark, which means that they are fair game. So let's go ahead and in our sample use this one. I'm going to click download. Downloads as a zip file, so you're going to have to unzip it. Yeah. And then locate it in your Finder. I happen to know where to put these things. That's a good thing to know. So this is the file that it produces. It's a scalable vector file, and you're going to want to change that into a file that you can use, like a PNG or a JPEG. So I like file format.info to do my conversions. So that's just pop on over there. You're going to use SVG to raster, which is what the PNG or JPEG files are considered. Go ahead and upload it. I leave the size blank. I just don't try and specify anything that I want done with it. So as you can see, it pops it nice in with a nice clean white background onto a page. Now, this is Grab. Grab is awesome. So here we're going to use capture selection, and we're just going to make a box around the yarn. Okay, and then save that as yarn ball. It'll save as a TIFF. Okay, and then quit out of Grab and go into Preview. It's one I was working with earlier, but I don't like it as much. So go ahead and open your yarn ball, and I'm going to open, I have a template for an award ribbon, which I got off a free clip art site. Because it's a template, I don't want to edit it directly. I'm going to duplicate it, and again I'm in the program Preview. This would be our knitting ribbon. Oops. Yeah, replace. And then save the template so I don't accidentally draw all over it, which would be kind of tragic. So now copy out of, select all, so it highlights the whole image. Copy and then paste and scoot it into the middle. Huzzah! A knitting ribbon! And then you can kind of play around with, if you want it to be a little bit bigger, or if you want it in the center, or anything like that. And then when you're happy, just click outside the box, and then you can save it. And then you are all ready to go with a nifty new ribbon for your site. So again, this was all just basically go to the noun project, check on what type of attribution you need, go ahead and download it. Then you get the scalable vector type, and then you're off to fileformat.info, which is a great site for converting. You're going to convert SVG to raster image. Then once you have your raster image on your page, you can use grab, little pair of scissors, to snip it out and then pop it into preview, where you can just combine all your elements together. So that's how I do it. I generally like the quality of what results, although this yarn ball is looking a little bit fuzzy, but maybe that's appropriate for yarn. There are a couple of other ways that you can do it if you prefer different types of software. There's Sketch, which is you can use it a lot like combining grab and preview, but I generally like the quality of this better. So if you have any questions, just drop me a line. You can reach me at Audrey, AUDREY, at tarantinstitute.org. Thanks for your time.